In this video I'm gonna show you how to change the projection method on your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to go to the settings, just navigate with your pilot there and click on the projector. From here go to the bottom and find projection method. Click on it, and from here you'll be able to change the projection method settings from front projection desktop to rear projection desktop to front projection ceiling mount or rear projection ceiling mount. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.